love for the power of a positive mind. I have all I need for any moment I am in. I radiate peace to those around me. I can accomplish whatever I set my mind to. Spirit supplies me with people to help me accomplish my dreams. My life matters. My future is bright. I am powerful. I am divinely guided in all I do. I am worthy of a great life. I am worthy of love and respect.
Yo, you're free now.
I can achieve greatness. I love and accept myself for who I am. My body is healthy. My mind is at peace. Everything that is happening now happens for my ultimate good. I accept it. I release loss. I release bitterness. I release regret. I am a champion.
Bye-bye.
No weapon formed against me shall prosper. I forgive those who have harmed me in my past. I will pursue what I was meant to do with all of my heart. I will pursue my purpose with passion and effort. Effort is free. Passion is free. I cannot control other people, but I can control my reactions to them. I am intelligent. I am wise.